everyone. Let's take a look at a couple of trades I made in gold today. So GC. Today is December 28, 2021. It is a Tuesday. So let's take a look at this chart in the left area, which is the 30 minutes. So pre-market, the gold was moving in a range here, moved to the upside, and then when the market opened at 820, which is the ghost market for gold, or the ghost session actually it's called, then made this move to the upside, and then right after at 9 a.m. came back down and touch the 50 simple moving average. So there's a couple of trades that we can review here. So here, this is one, and this is the other one. So let's look at them. So let's go to the entry chart, which is the Renko. And as usual, I have them marked down. So let me, seems that I have an area here that I want to delete. I can do that later. Okay, so here the market was in this area ranging. So you see in this area we have a Darvas, which is marked by this area right here in the 30 minutes chart. So right there. Then the market came down, touched the moving averages, and then went to the upside again. And then right when it broke that Darvas, I took the trade. So this one here, and I thought that gold was going to move larger today, so I changed the composition of the trade. So I had three targets. One target, so three contracts. One target for $100, the second target for $200, and the third target as a runner. So what happened here is that it met the first target, and then the other one sold at $60 each. So it's 120. So 100 plus 120, that gave me the 220 for the first trade. Then I gave it back. I thought that the market was going to continue. So if you see, the momentum was still to the upside. There was a little bit of divergence here and a little bit of divergence there. But, you know, I thought that the market could take off. So I took this other one right there at that level. And then it went against me right there. So that is $240. So $70 per contract. So that now I'm $20 down. Market kept moving down. This one was a good entry right here. I didn't take it, but the market just moved very fast to the downside. Right there. That was I saw it and I had plenty of time to take it, but I didn't. So I was not trusting, because if you see in the 30 minutes, we have a big tail there, but we are still against the moving averages, and all the moving averages are stuck to the upside. So I was thinking bullish still, but it moved down all the way to that level, which is the 50 simple moving average in the 30 minutes chart. Then the market kept in this range. and then broke to the upside out of here, broke there. So I took this trade right here. So considering the prior high, right? So what I did was to take this entry right there at that level. Let me expand this a little bit so we can see it better. So that is the entry right there out of that high, and this one was good for one contract. And what I do is to move when I sell the first contract, I move the other two to break even plus one tick. So that one is $20. So it's $100 plus 20. It's $120. Now I am $140. $100. I was minus 20 before. So I am $100. And now the last one, I just thought, okay, this one is going to keep moving. And it actually moved three more bars or three more bricks and then came back down. So that I lost $60 per contract, and it's $180. So final for gold today was $80 total. So then the market, gold kept moving down in this range, and then there was a break here. I did not take it. Then it moved range in the range here, leaning towards the downside. And I didn't take it because it was too close to the. I was looking at the 30 minutes chart, and it was too close um, to the 50 moving average, the 50 simple moving average. So I didn't take it there, thinking that could be a fake. Then move here, and then lunch. I was not looking at the market, and the market really moved back down again to that level, to the low of the prior day. I believe it's the low of the prior day, actually. Maybe a little bit higher. So I didn't take it. The lunch, I didn't take any trade in it, any trades at lunch. So yeah, total for gold today is minus $80. So um, so that's the market movement today. It could have been much better if I would take it, but it was a little bit confusing for me today on gold. Plus, I was not looking at this at the market at lunchtime. All right. Thank you for watching.